Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you get the punch emote in Istanbul guys. So at first you need to download the game, and after downloading the game just go to this game. Just hold on guys. Now here you can see in the bottom left Istanbul Pass. Just click on the Istanbul Pass here. After clicking here you can see in the left there is two passes. In the upper side there is premium pass and in the lower side there is a free pass. Click on the active in the premium pass here. After clicking it, here you can see if you want to buy the premium pass you need to purchase it with 1200 diamonds. If you don't have 1200 diamonds you cannot purchase it, but there is a free pass here. You can also get some things in the free pass just completing some missions and playing the game. But if you want to get the punch emote you need to buy the premium pass, otherwise you won't have the punch emote. Just swipe it like me, and here you can see in the 30 level the punch emote. If you don't buy the premium pass you won't get the punch emote. So guys, if you want to get the punch emote you must buy a premium pass, otherwise you won't have it. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.